Papa of PaPa's page here. Today we're doing a cast iron Wednesday, and it's a challenge one for May of 2023. We're going to make Oklahoma burgers. Oklahoma burgers have quite a history. They go back almost 100 years to the Depression, or just after the Depression, where restaurants started using a lot of onions in their hamburgers to stretch the meat and keep the price down. So I'll get started here and I'll come back to you. I almost forgot to show you the ingredients today. We have condiments, salt and pepper, probably a little bit of oil and butter, onions, ground beef, and hamburger buns. Okay, the frying pan's hot and I'm ready to go. So we're going to start off with about a quarter pound of ground beef that are made into balls. Put it down there. Mash it just a little bit. Going to put some onions on top. And smash it some more. And we're going to tip it and go around the edge to make it thinner on the edges. We're going to help the onions back up on top. Give it a little salt and pepper. And let this side cook. Gonna flip it over. Take the buns on top, let them absorb some of the moisture, some of the steam. Take the bottom one and put condiments on it. Decide to put cheese on it in the last minute. Okay, I think it's done. We'll see. Get it out and onto the bun. There we have it. Okay, we got a taste tester here. We're going to see what it tastes like. Good. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.